Okay, I want to put in 2 screws. This one is right here. I believe it's a number 2 Phillips. It fits it pretty good. Use a good screwdriver so you don't round them out. Always a good rule. We got this one up here. These come loose all the time, so you get used to that. Again, number 2 Phillips. Just a little bit of torque on her. Okay. Then the door handle uses a T20. Now you'll want to be careful where you position the door handle. I like to position them up actually. See the windows all the way up? My knees always touch them. But I believe the factory had them pointing down. Okay, so you put it on. Then you use your T20 socket. Got her going on. And that's pretty good. This just comes over and snaps on. And that's pretty much the doors on them. You want to make sure to get all the little snaps back there. Just work your way across the bottom. Looks like I'm going to need a new one right there. I'll worry about that next time I got the door off. And all in all, she fits okay. These are the simple ones.